Expressing your ideas. Let's watch this video clip and do the activity. 4 steps to express ideas in English. You're in a meeting and you've got a great idea, so you're excited to share it. That's just one problem. Everyone is speaking in English, and this means you have to express your idea in English. Suddenly you feel shy and can't say anything, so you stay quiet, and that awful feeling of frustration and disappointment takes over. Has this ever happened to you? Today, I'll show you how to clearly and confidently express ideas in English and share them with your colleagues, boss, friends, or classmates. Here's what you're going to learn. 4 steps to be ready and feel less nervous. My favorite strategy for activating your vocabulary. Step 1. Prepare. Preparation is always the best first step. It helps you feel ready and reduces nerves. If you know a meeting is coming up, or a brainstorming discussion, a presentation, or a sales meeting, think about what you want to say ahead of time. Note down some keywords or phrases you might use. Practice saying the words and sentences you might say out loud. Seriously, it works. Step 2. Keep it simple. As you prepare, keep your idea simple and focused. Don't worry about complex English grammar or best-sounding English words. Everyone will be happier and everyone will understand more clearly if you keep it simple. Step 3. Use visuals. When appropriate and possible, use visuals to help you. If you are talking about graph, refer to or show the graph. If you are talking about sales, show everyone what numbers you are talking about. If you are brainstorming ideas, draw a sketch or show a picture. Most people are visual learners. This will help you and them, and sometimes we feel less nervous when people are looking at the visuals. It can take the pressure off. Step 4. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet is a great idiom that we use when you have been putting something off, delaying doing something. When you have been avoiding something because you think it will be horrible or unpleasant. And now it is time to just get on with it and just do it. Bite the bullet and just get it done. That is your moment. You need to take it. You need to bite the bullet. It doesn't mean you won't be nervous. But being brave means feeling nervous but doing it anyway. You just need to take a deep breath and jump right in. Go for it. Take the risk. Common phrases to introduce and express ideas in English. First, politely ask for time to share your idea. I would just like to add something. Can I jump in here? To politely interrupt the flow of conversation. Can I share something here? I would love to run an idea by you. Perhaps another option might be. Second, give your perspective or idea by saying, I think that. As I see it, as I thought about this problem, issue, situation, I realized that. I'd like to point out, from my point of view, personally, I think that. Based on my own experience, I find that. I was wondering if it might be possible to. Maybe we could consider. Here is what would look like altogether. Can I jump in here? Personally, I think there are many great ways to build fluency in English, but this is what has worked best for me and what I would recommend. Now it's your turn. Let's repeat the phrase and listen to it again. I don't know about you, but I know for me, practicing every day has made all the difference in my fluency. One way to start is, now it's your turn. Let's repeat the phrase and listen to it again. I strongly believe that if we just do a little practice every day, our English will improve. And here's how we can start. Now it's your turn. Let's repeat the phrase and listen to it again. I would just like to share something. As I thought about this situation, I realized that there isn't just one best way to learn English. I don't know about you, but I know for me, practicing every day has made all the difference in my fluency. One way to start is, now it's your turn. Let's repeat the phrase and listen to it again.